Hello everyone, welcome back on here. Thank you for clicking on the video. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we are going to be making together some smoked fish stew. So sit back, relax and watch me do this. Let's do it. I've already washed the catfish, all cleaned out. Because I do not have time on my hands, I want to quickly make this stew. I'm going to steam the fish for about 5 minutes so that the spices can be absorbed into it. Then I'm going to grill it in the oven. For the spices, I am going to be using some rosemary, some dill, salt, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder, white pepper, and also onions powder. Then I add a bit of water. I'll cover and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Turn on the gas. After 5 minutes, I'm back to the pot. I'll just take out all of the catfish except the catfish head, transfer it into my prepped oven tray. I'm going to be grilling in the oven for about 40 minutes under 200 Celsius temperature until it is really dry as I would prefer. I'm transferring it into the oven now. I then need more water onto the catfish head. I'll cover and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes so I can have stock. So to the peppers, I have this dry red chili that I've been soaking for about 2 hours. I'm just going to transfer everything now into the blender. I soaked using hot water. All goes into the blender. Next, onions. I'm using 2 onions, some ginger. Like I want this stew to be very hot, very hot. 3 cloves of garlic, paprika which I already prepped and cut, and then scotch bonnet pepper 1. So alongside the dry paprika, I have fresh scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll just add in with the paprika and everything into the blender, and I'm going to be blending with liquid tomatoes, 2 packs of liquid tomatoes. I'll blend, then I'll boil to reduce it. Here the fish is ready, well smoked the way I like it, and I brought it out from the oven. Also my pepper is reduced. I have my stock already prepared. So time to make the stew. In a saucepan I added in enough vegetable oil because I want the peppers to fry well. Now I just added in chopped onions. I'll just fry for about 2 minutes and then I'll add some spices. There goes in the spices, curry, rosemary, thyme, and then I'm adding a little bit of crayfish to this particular stew because I'm making a fish stew. Time to add in the boiled peppers. I'm going to be frying for about 20 minutes. That's why I'm using enough vegetable oil so it will fry properly. So I'll just stir and I'll cover it halfway. For the 20 minutes I'll be frying the stew, I'll come in at intervals to stir so that it doesn't get burnt. So I just cover not completely and allow it to continue frying. After 20 minutes I'm back to it. You can see it's frying and it has fried very well. We have the oil on the top to indicate that this is properly fried. So time for me to introduce the stock water to loosen up the stew, and then I'm adding up the fish now, all of it. The catfish head that wasn't grilled and the one that was smoked in the oven, all of it goes in now. I add in a bit of salt and then curry powder. I'm going to cover and allow it cook for another 10 minutes so that the fish can absorb the stew and the stew can absorb the taste and of the fish. Cover and cook. After 10 minutes, here it is, our stew is ready. This can be enjoyed with any carbohydrates of your choice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.